If you are a small channel or a new YouTuber, it is important to use these three tag strategies that I'm about to show you to get more views on your videos. Now, these tags do not only ensure that you get the views, but also they help your videos rank on YouTube for search. Okay, now if you're meeting me for the first time, I am the Virtual Giant, and on this channel, I share with you my experience, my knowledge on how to grow your YouTube channel. And if you are ready, let's meet at the other end as I walk you through these three tag strategies to post your YouTube video.
Virtual Giant, like and subscribe.
Whenever you search for a particular keyword on YouTube, the list of videos that are displayed to you, the very first one is what is ranking for that particular keyword. So, for example, if you type YouTube growth into the YouTube search bar now, any video that pops up first means that that particular video is ranking for that particular keyword. And that is what can happen to your videos if you use these three tags strategies that I'm about to show you in this video. Now, do not forget that YouTube takes into consideration whatever you say in your video, the title of your video, the hashtags, and then the tags to show your videos to anyone at all on YouTube. So you do not take tags for granted because it is part of the metrics that the YouTube algorithm favors very much, that it actually uses to distribute your videos to a wider audience, thereby getting you the views that you require. So these YouTube tag strategies can be grouped under three headings, namely content or video specific tags, niche specific tags, general or broad-based specific tags. Now, let's take them one by one and then find out what each of them mean. Let's begin with the video or the content specific tags. Now, these are tags that are created from the titles of your videos. For example, if you are making a video about how to get more views on YouTube, there are certain phrases or keywords in the title that you can use as your tags. For example, get more views on YouTube, get views on YouTube, or views or YouTube views. These are the content or the video specific tags that you can use for your videos. And when you do that, you are guaranteed some amount of views. The next one is the niche specific tags. Now, if you are making a video on how to get views on YouTube, then there is every likelihood that you are in the YouTube growth niche. So when you are writing the tags for your videos, YouTube growth is an example of the niche specific tags that you can use. You can also use YouTube education as your niche specific tags. I hope you're understanding what I'm teaching at the moment. All right. The last one is the broad-based or the general specific tags. And these ones are the popular phrases on YouTube, the viral phrases that people are using or people are associating to their videos. For example, FYP, viral videos, viral short. Um, um, you know all these kind of tags. Yes, these are the broad-based or the general tags. And when you use all these tags in your videos, you are guaranteed some views. And it is important to incorporate them in your videos because whenever YouTube does not have any kind of thing to put your videos to, it considers the metrics that you add to your videos. For example, the titles. And don't forget that you have been able to create a tag out of the title. Then YouTube also looks at what you say in the videos. The AI, the algorithm, considers what you say. And do not forget that you have already introduced yourself by telling people what you do on YouTube, by way of telling them like you are a YouTube growth expert, etc., like I did in the opening of this video. So that is also your niche specific tag. And then you come to the general or the broad-based tags that people or a lot of people are associated to, meaning that that particular tag is powerful. Hence, when you associate with it, it will also guarantee you some level of views. You see why it is important to include these three specific tag strategies in your videos, because when you make the videos, it is for people, and you must include things that people are looking for, things that people are searching for, so that whenever someone puts in a search word into the YouTube search bar, your video is likely to pop up. I believe that these three tag strategies is an eye opener for small channels like myself and or new YouTubers. So we should be able to incorporate them in our videos just so we can get the views that we so much require for our channel to reach the monetization stage. So if you found this helpful, consider liking and then subscribe for more of such content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.